Okay, so let's cut out a piece of cardboard just from any box around your house. And we are going to fold it in half like so. And this will be our nose for the Goblin Puppet. Now I'm just going to change it up a bit. I'm going to make it more angled. There we go. A lot better. Alright, I'm going to cut off a little piece at the top of the nose. You'll see in a second the pattern if you want to copy me. There we go. Chop that out. There's the pattern. Let's try it out. Oh, no, let's change it a bit. Let's do some fine tuning. There we go. All right, let's try it out. Looks great. Now, we're gonna put aluminum foil around it. There we go. Just wrap it up. Nice and easy. There, we're just going to shape it a bit. That's the beauty of aluminum foil. Let's wrap it one more time. Just give it a little bit more thickness. Put a big old nose on there. They're just fine tuning it a bit. And looking good. Let's try it out. Let's put it on there. Okay, here we are. Let's get some duct tape and attach this nose. Okay, there we go. One side is complete. Now on to the other side. Here we go. Put a little piece of duct tape on there. Now we're going to fill the nose with aluminum foil. Alright, so let's jam that in there and then let's close it up with some duct tape. We're just make little snips here so we can get it on nice and tight. Good, good, good. Let's finish the nose. Wrap it up. And now we're just going to attach it at the top of the nose so it's on there nice and secure. Now let's cut the back of the skull here so we can actually get our hand into the goblin. There we go, nice and easy. Now there's room. Now let's take the mouth that we built in the last episode. Let's just have a quick look at it. How does that feel? What do I think? I want some curvature at the bottom of the mouth, so I'm going to use a little piece of wire hanger and get it just right. And then I gotta fix this up here, the right angle, the right shape, and then I'll go and I'll hot glue it onto the bottom. So I just want to get this quite right. There it is, it's hot glued on there. I just ran off into the other room. And now we're going to attach the mouth to the skull. There we go, just a little test. I like it, so let's add some more duct tape to really secure it to the skull. And there we go. That's looking good. Now one last thing is we're going to cut off these little pieces on the side. What I'd like to do is really secure the mouth to the skull so that when you're puppeteering it, you know, the face doesn't fall apart. Never a good thing. So we're just going to cut these little tabs here and then we're going to bend them and duct tape them to the mouthpiece just so it's on there nice and good. So I'm just bending these. There we go. And get some duct tape. I'll be back with episode 4 of how to build a Goblin Puppet shortly. Please like, comment, and share. Thanks, guys.